The image of China, the factory of the world. But this mode of manufacturing is being replaced by automated production lines. This is Zhongshan, where one of China's leading LED lighting brands, OPPLE, started 20 years ago.
The biggest change in the lighting industry throughout the years is the products. We used to replace incandescent bulbs with energy-saving bulbs. Then the energy-saving bulbs were replaced by LED bulbs.
Zhou Xiaoying used to be proud of being a Chinese worker, but she has seen the hard times of China's manufacturing slow down. Still, she has a deep affection for the industry.
Whenever I passed by a supermarket or hotel, I would stop and check the brand. If they weren't OPPLE, I would compare their advantages with OPPLE.
For the workers, automation may not be good news. It will likely take over their jobs and eat away their wages. Across the country, China is pushing forward the rejuvenation of its manufacturing industries at a time when new technologies are redrawing the global picture. Here in OPPLE's Wujiang factory, China's flagship lighting company has its own solutions to light up the world. Chairman Wang Yaohai hopes to expand the global sales. He says China's technological transformation is already changing the face of the global manufacturing industry.
The lighting industry has a great advantage. It is the most basic necessity of life. The technical level, the threshold for entry is relatively low, but the threshold is high if you want to do it well. Because traditional lighting in the past relied on big foreign brands like GE, Philips, and Osram, today new technology has pulled the entire industry's domestic and overseas technology to the same level.
Despite the challenges of overcapacity, higher labor costs, and fierce competition, Wang Yaohai is optimistic. He says the global lighting industry is at a crucial point with new innovative solutions and energy-efficient solutions. He believes China does not have to follow the path of developed countries. It can leapfrog by encouraging smart and innovative lights manufactured for both professional and home use. His strategy is in line with the government's bigger plan of Made in China 2025, a big leap for industrialization for all industries.
China's manufacturing sectors at the low end are facing similar problems of overcapacity. In contrast, consumption is upgrading and the demand for better and targeted products in the EU and US markets has been on the rise. The Chinese enterprises are very competitive in overseas markets. The key is quality.
China hopes to raise its position in the global industrial chain, from a big manufacturing hub to a great manufacturing power. The question is how to make this sector more competitive in the global market. In the big picture in China, manufacturing is still under huge pressure, and people like Zhou Xiaoying have seen the advantages and started to adapt.
A worker will be let go if he or she doesn't change.
Zhou Xiaoying agrees that only high-end goods will meet customer demand. Gone are the days when a company could thrive with low-price products. The Zhongshan factory days may be numbered, but Zhou Xiaoying is holding on to what she can while she can.